So we start our third lesson. Okay. So we have seen in the previous class how to observe the fungi. Yes or no? We have observed the fungi. First we have to take the green scraping from the tank and then take the or from the pond you can take or you can take from the tank. After taking the green scraping from the tank, you have to put it on the slide. Okay, you have to put it on the slide and then put a drop of water on that and then cover with a cover slip. Cover with a cover slip and see under the microscope. When you see under the microscope, we can find the fungi. Okay. Which is given in your test book. Which is given in your test book. You can find any three of them. Like penicillin you can see or the rhizopus or the aspergillus. Okay. So you can find this. And how to observe the bacteria. Now we can see how to observe the bacteria. Bacteria. See here. Take the sample. You can take the sample curd or the buttermilk. You can take the curd or buttermilk. Take this curd or buttermilk. We can see the buttermilk or the curd on the early morning scraping of tongues. We can also find them in the soil over the bar. Okay, where you find this bacteria? You can find the bacteria in the curd or the buttermilk. Also you can find it, and also when you scrap the tongue, okay, so you can see that bacteria on our tongue, and also we can see in the soil, in the soil also we can see the bacteria, and in the over the bark, that is on the tree trunk you can see, or on our skin also we can find the bacteria. Yes, on the skin also. And the armpit also we can find. So many places we can see the bacteria. In many places. Okay, we can see the bacteria in the curd, in the buttermilk, in the soil, bark of the tree, or the skin and the armpit. On our body also some organisms are present. So we are able to see this microorganism in the curd? No, we are not able to see the microorganism or the bacteria in the curd or buttermilk. Can you see that? No, with our naked eyes. No, we can't able to see with our naked eyes. So what to do? So now what I am doing now, I am taking the sample curd or the buttermilk. Okay, I am taking the buttermilk or the curd. So take 1 or 2 drops of. We have to take the 1 or 2 drops of buttermilk or curd you can take. You have to take this. After taking this, and what we have to do, we have to spread it on the slide. We have to spread it on the slide. Take the sample and spread it on the slide. After spreading, and what we have to do, we have to slightly take the candle you can take, or you can take the Bunsen burner, okay, which is present in the lab. Okay, it will be like this, Bunsen burner, which is attached to the gas. Okay, it will be attached like this. So when you on this, you can get the flame. Okay, you can do. Okay, this is known as a Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner. Yeah, heat it with the candle. Also, you can heat it with the candle. Just you move the slide over the flame. Yes. So what happens? It will stick to the slide. It will stick to the slide for only 2 or 3 seconds is enough. 3 or 4 seconds. If you heat it, means completely don't put it on the flame. Just you have to move here and there. Okay. Add a few drops of crystal violet. After heating, what happens? We have to add the 3 or so we have to add the drops, 1 or 2 drops of crystal violet on that. Okay, what we have to do? We have to add 1 or 2 drops of crystal violet stain. It is the color violet. It is the color. So when you put it on that, all the bacteria will gain the crystal violet color. Okay, and then okay, we have to keep it for 30 to 60 seconds. That is exactly 1 minute is enough. 1 minute is enough. Okay, after keeping this color for 1 minute and wash it off. Okay, we have to wash off the color. We have to wash it off. After washing the, okay, we have to add the water slightly, and then whatever the extra color will be present on this slide, it will be washed away. It will be washed away. So, and see under the water, after that, when it is, okay, crystal water is added to this, and again what we are doing after, we are keeping this crystal water for 1 minute, and after keeping for 1 minute, and we are washing extra color from the slide, and this slide we have to see under the microscope. We have to see under the microscope. When you see under the microscope, we can see this picture. You can observe this. Can you observe? Okay, you can observe this picture. Okay. Here, okay, it is observing the bacteria. Now we are observing the algae. So first, what we have to do? We have to take the scraping. Okay. Okay, what we have to take? We have to take the white scraping from where we have to take scraping white, green scraping from the tank. Green scraping from the tank or the pouch. Okay, we have to take the green scraping from the tank or the pouch or pond. You can see at the bottom of the tank, you can see the green layer. You can see the green layer. This green layer, okay, we have to put it on the slide. We have to put it on the slide, this green color scraping, and pour one. Okay, you can see this. Add 1 drop of water on that and cover with a cover slip. Cover with a cover slip and see under the microscope. When you see under the microscope, you can see the algae. Okay, see here. Where you find this algae? We can see this algae in the water, on the surface of the water, pond, all here. You can see in the tanks. Where you can see the tanks? At the bottom of the tanks also we can see. So okay, when you see under the microscope, you can see what type of, we can see here, we have the picture here, algae. You can see the spirulina, you can see, or Crasium also you can see, or Spirogyra. You can see this type of algae under the microscope. They can be observed only through a microscope. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can observe this algae through the microscope. We can see with our naked eyes. Only some of the algae only we can see with our naked eyes. Let us collect the pond water or the water from the tank with a bit of greenish scraping. To observe some of the microalgae growing in water, let us do this following activity. So select a few. So whatever I explained this, you have to do same thing. Take the slide and take the scraping from the pond or the tank and then put it on the slide, and then pour 1 drop of water and cover with a cover slip and see under the microscope. You can able to see the Spirogyra or Chara. Like this, you can see different types of algae. How to observe the protozoan? Okay, we have to observe the protozoa. Protozoa example, can you give one example? Protozoan, amoeba. Okay, observing the protozoa. The other group of microorganism, protozoa, they are also one type of microorganism.